Okay, so I haven't filmed a YouTube video in maybe like a century at this point, but I decided just to do one for fun, just because I felt like doing it. If I'd have known I was going to film a video, I probably would have done it earlier on when my makeup was less crusty. It's now 8:15. Oh, check the... Oh, thank you wish.com for providing me with the cheapest shit. So this video is a haul from my weekend, which was spent in London doing everything related to BTS, basically, because I'm 23 and that's what my life has come to. Okay, so on the Friday, me and my friend decided to go to London and check out the BTS pop-up shop, the BT21 pop-up shop, and if we had time we would go to Wembley a day early and get our merch a day early because the Saturday was going to be manic. So we managed to go to the BTS pop-up shop in Shoreditch, and we did go to the Camden one, but the line was another 2 hours and we just waited for 2 hours in line at the BTS one in Shoreditch. So we got to the venue for the BT21 pop-up shop and didn't end up going in because the line was at least another 2 hours, and it was 6 o'clock by this point, I think, so we were like, crap, we didn't want to be home that late and we still wanted to go to the Wembley one too. We made the executive decision to not go to the BT21 one, even though we were literally there. The crowd was there, staring at it, but the queue was 2 hours and we just waited 2 hours in line for the other one. So we decided to go to the Wembley Stadium and get our merch a day early, which was a good idea because it meant we didn't have to carry our merch into the venue, we didn't have to have our merch in front of us, we'd got all we wanted. So honestly, if you have the chance and you can get down a day early and get your merch, just in terms of stress, much easier. Anyway, I've been talking for like 5 minutes. Well, maybe not 5, but I've been talking for a while, and so I'm now going to get into the haul. Okay, so I'm going to start with the BTS pop-up shop stuff, which I got in Shoreditch, and I think it was open from the 28th to the 3rd or something, and I'm going to go through that stuff that I bought there now. So the first thing I got was this London exclusive t-shirt from the pop-up shop. I'll try and include some close-up pictures of it or something. But I really wanted this because even though it's not like my favourite design ever, I really wanted one that was an exclusive for this event, that you wouldn't be able to get maybe on the site later. So that t-shirt cost £45, and I feel like I should have got it in a medium because they are quite, they run at a good size. They're not tiny, which is great because who wants a tiny t-shirt that they can't fit into? No one. So that was the first thing I got, was the BTS pop-up shop London exclusive t-shirts. The next thing I got from the pop-up shop was the BTS pouch. It's underneath it, a little keychain thing to put things on, and then inside it's just a plain black pouch. But I thought it was really nice, and it's really simple, and it's not too in-your-face BTS stuff, because I find some of the stuff can be a bit too loud for me. As you can tell, I don't do colour that much, so this was really cute. So this pouch was £15, and whilst that is a lot of money, I feel like it's quite nice, and it's if you're going to spend £15, maybe this would be a good choice because it's durable and I feel like you can use it for a lot of things. But what you can't use for a lot of things is what I bought next for £15, and I can't believe I spent £15 on this, but I did because they got me, they took my money, and I didn't stop them from taking my money either, and it's all my own fault. So the next thing I got, stickers. £15 for some stickers. They saw me coming and they put £15 as the price for stickers, and my stupid self bought them. Why did I buy, why did I spend £15 on, not even a lot, like the thinnest pack of stickers you've ever seen, and I spent £15 on them. It was only today when I was looking through the menu and I was like, did I really spend £15 on some stickers? Yes, I did spend £15 on stickers, and I feel like I would have regretted not getting them, so maybe that's okay, but oh, £15. Okay, the last two things I got from the pop-up shop was, one, a pen. So it's just a plain ballpoint pen, and again, £4. And I paid it. The last and potentially most exciting thing I got was actually free. God, free? What is that? And it was this slap bracelet, and oh, let me just... So this was the only free thing that you could get, and I genuinely think it's pretty cool. And just how satisfying is this? Hold on. So satisfying. There is nothing more satisfying in the world than just... That was everything I got from the BTS pop-up shop. Okay, so after we went to the Shoreditch shop, we decided to go to the Camden shop. The line was too long, so it wasn't going to happen. So we decided to go on to the Wembley merchandise, and I believe that they had a set amount of merchandise for the Friday, the Saturday and the Sunday. When we went on the Friday, a lot of the stuff was sold out already, and I was really concerned that tomorrow's people and the next day are going to have practically nothing to buy, but I believe they restocked each day, which was good because, my god. So the first thing I got from the Wembley merch was, of course, a light stick. £45 I paid for this. Again, they saw me coming, they knew. But I think it's really cool, and it made the concert so much more enjoyable in my opinion, because the ocean of army bombs was so cute, and yeah, I'm glad I got it, even if they did rip me off of £45 of plastic and light. So when you buy the light stick, you also get an instruction manual, a little safety bracelet thing that you tie onto the bottom. I undid it just for this video so I could show you it not on. So it comes with a little bag as well with the BTS logo on it, so it's kind of easier for carrying it around. And last but not least, it comes with photo cards. And they're so cute. They are such nice photo cards. They're so nice, like... And in the back you get a little QR code thing that you can put into the new app, the Wepley app, and it converts to cash now. The next item I got was the garland, and oops, and it's so cute, and oh, it's just lovely, and I can't wait to put it up somewhere, even though I probably won't. It'll probably stay in this case for the rest of its life. Yes, I'm 23, and I bought a £20 garland. £20. £20 for a garland. Okay, the next item I bought was a little Namjoon flag. Little RM there. Bless his soul. President Kim Namjoon in the building. What you get is a little flag thingy-majiggy. It's quite good quality. It's yeah, it's quite nice, I think, and it's nice that it doesn't have to go on a wall. And so it's that, and then the back just has RM, love yourself something or other up here, yeah, BTS World Tour, love yourself, speak yourself, and then it comes with a little plate base thing, and you put it in there. Okay, I just put it on. It is quite difficult to jam it in, to be honest. They don't leave you much room for leeway to get the pole into it, so you try not to break it. Okay, and this mini flag was £10, so I would say it's quite reasonable actually. That was one that I was quite happy to pay just £10 for, so yeah. Super cute and something a bit different than a wall scroll or whatever. But yeah, cute. Okay, we're getting there now. I also bought, oh god, I can't believe I spent so much money. I also bought the photo frame set, I think that's what it's called. Photo frame set, yeah. And it's, again, of course it is really adorable and really lovely. So it comes with a little stand that says Love Yourself Tour on it. And then it has various pictures of the boys and it's so cute and oh, they are just so lovely and the quality is really, really nice on them and it just seems like a nicer piece of merch, not it doesn't seem tacky, it seems actually really well made and really nice. And I think this was £25 and I genuinely think, even though that is a lot of money, I kind of think it's worth it. I think if you're going to go for something, this is the most durable and probably the best quality out of a lot of the stuff. So if you want something with all seven included somehow, obviously they're not all together on one picture, but yeah, I recommend this one even if it is £25. If that's the only £25 you're going to spend, I think that's really worth it. The key rings were £20, so if you wanted a keyring of all 7 of them, I mean, just file for bankruptcy already if you want all 7 of the £20 key rings. £20 for a keyring just seems a hell of a lot. So yes, definitely recommend. 25 quid for this little photo frame set. They're like acrylic, they're really nice. Okay, the second to last thing I got was a premium photo and it's so beautiful, it's so lovely, but also I don't know where I'm going to put it or what I'm going to do with it. It just was so nice that I couldn't resist. And if I had all the money in the world, I would have got one of all 7 because I think each picture just looked so lovely and just great basically. But again, I'm not trying to bankrupt myself, so I limited myself to 1. So this was the premium photo I got and is of course of the one, the only, the president, Kim Namjoon, obviously. How could you not get one of this boy? But again, on the Friday they were running out of these, I think they run out of Taehyung and Jungkook, and I was really lucky and really thankful that I was able to get one of my boy. Look at his face. Delightful. Is he not just the most beautiful creature on the earth? Look at him. Lovely. Anyway, these are ridiculously nice quality. They are the premium photographs, so they are £12? Yes, £12. But you can if you want a ridiculously close-up picture and ridiculously large picture of BTS, then go for your life. Get yourself a £12 premium photo. Okay, that brings us on to the last thing that I bought, which is the cutest top ever. And I really like the style of it and I'm so glad I got it, and it's just plain with the little heart and arrow there, and then on the sleeves it has Speak Yourself on the sleeves, and then on the other sleeve it has Love Yourself. I don't know if you can see that. On the back it reads BTS World Tour, North America, South America, UK, Europe, etc, etc, and it's just delightful. And as soon as I saw it, I knew I had to have this one. If nothing else, this was like the piece of merch that I really, really wanted, because I think I'll actually get use out of it. And again, I wish I'd have got it in a medium, but I just sort of assumed the sizes would be small. But they're not. They seem to be unisex and they seem to be running at a normal size level. But when I went to the pop-up shop, some of the sizes looked tiny, and I thought, just get a bigger one. I'd rather it be too baggy than too tight any day, so I got a large. And I believe this cost £45. This is one of my favourite things I think I got, because I just think I'll actually get wear out of it, which is ideal, obviously. Yeah, I love this one. Before I go, I just wanted to show you a couple of other bits I got from the first day of the Wembley tour. A couple of ladies were giving out photo cards, so I got Jin, and it's such a cute photo, oh, and they're like transparent and film strippy and cute. And along with Jin, I also got one of Sugar, which is so cute. I think this is one of my favourite pictures of Yoongi ever, and it's transparent and it's lovely. Super, super nice. I also stole confetti because I like knickknacks. I like to take little memorabilia bits, and I saw this on my way out and I thought, thank God, because the wind blew it away. I was in section C2 and the wind was blowing it all the way to the other sections, and I was like, no, I just want some confetti, and I managed to grab some on the way out, which was great. And last but not least, the banner from day one, and this is like crushed, but I managed to grab a non-gross one on the way out, which was great because this one I spilt water on and it ripped. But I think it's just so lovely, and the people that made it did such a good job on it. And on the front it says, "When times are hard, look at the road we walked together," which I think is such a lovely message, and I think it's really sweet. And yeah, I'll stop saying and. Okay, I think that's it. I think that is everything that I got. I really hope you enjoyed living vicariously through me and my poor empty bank account, and maybe I will see you in another video soon if my lazy self can be bothered and can find other fun things to post. Hopefully not more things of me spending my money that I don't have. Thank you for watching this video, and I will hopefully see you in another video.